Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to see Wi-Fi password on Windows 10. So let's start the video. At first, you need to open network settings to see the Wi-Fi password. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Now, here type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Now click on your active Wi-Fi connection or Ethernet. From the top menu, select View status of this connection. This will open a new window. In the new window, click Wireless Properties. Now you have to go to the Security tab. Now check the box that says Show Characters, and this will show you the Wi-Fi password next to network security key. So there you have it. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more helpful tutorials.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.